Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, implicature, is explained with examples. But, if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. It can be defined as: implicature refers to the additional meaning conveyed indirectly through speech, beyond the literal interpretation of words. What does it mean? Simply, it means that implicature in pragmatics refers to the idea that speakers often communicate more than what is explicitly stated, and listeners infer this additional information based on contextual cues. Actually, sometimes when we talk, we don't say or answer things directly, or we do not state something directly, but rather we say something indirectly, so this is known as implicature in pragmatics. Basically, there must a question in your mind if we don't say something directly, so how others get us or understand us? The answer is because of the context, they correctly interpret us. I think still you are not getting the point. Just look at these examples, then you will understand this concept. John, I'm really hungry. Smith, there's a restaurant down the street. Just look at the words of John. He said that he is hungry, and he did not ask where the restaurant is. And, now look at the reply of Smith, he directly answers about the location of the restaurant. Basically, John did not say directly that he is in search of a restaurant to buy some food. But, Smith got it that John wants the location of the restaurant. So, you can see he said something indirectly, so this indirect saying is called implicature in pragmatics. Shannon, do you want to eat ice cream? Sumei, I have a toothache. Observe the question of Shannon. He asks Sumei if he wants to eat ice cream, but he does not directly say that he does not want to eat ice cream, but he replies that he has a toothache. Basically, this is indirect way of saying that he does not want to eat ice cream. So, this is called implicature in pragmatics. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.